Welcome to Mishna study Masalo Shana Perek Bet Mishna Aleph. Over here in this Perek, we're going to speak about the process of how they would go ahead and spread the news about the new month. So, firstly, we have to accept the witnesses. How do we know that these are good witnesses? Now, you have to remember, back then, there were lots of debates as to what the calendar should look like, right? The Tzidukim had one approach of how holidays should fall out, and us, the Pirushim, had our Torah Sheba'al Peh, and how that should be. So there was always a debate of how to go ahead and do so. And because of this debate of how we want to set the calendar, a lot of times the Tzidukim would go ahead and hire false witnesses, send them to Jerusalem, and try to go ahead and set the calendar appropriately and try to trick the rabbis, the Pirushim, into setting the wrong date in the calendar. So we need to make sure that these witnesses are non-Tziduki witnesses, people that are part of our Masoret and believe in Torah Sheba'al Peh. So our Mishnah, if they don't recognize him, they don't know who he is, he's coming from a different city, right? Right? The Bedin of that city would send another witness alongside, who's known in Jerusalem by the Bedin in Jerusalem, to testify about these other witnesses, right? So you have a third person coming to say, okay, these two other people are kosher. In the beginning, they would actually accept the testimony about the new moon from everyone. Once the minim went ahead and they ruined it, really, they were out to change the calendar. They made a takana that they could only accept witnesses from people who they